Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python continuous statement in looping control structure while loop. So first of all, what is this looping control structure? So looping control structure, control. So control means condition, structure means indented block of code. So the definition goes like this: executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. So coming to the looping control structures, they execute an indented block of code 0 or more times or multiple times. Now coming to the continue statement, so we use continue statement in while loop. So it is used to skip remaining statements of the current iteration and continue with next iteration. Okay, so for example, we take a while loop with a condition with indented block of code. So whenever we use continue for the current iteration, it will skip the remaining statements and continue with next iteration, next condition checking. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python continue while loop example 1. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm printing one message: even numbers or odd numbers. Input, enter maximum number 20, 30, 40 or 50. Convert that into integer and store that in num. So start the while loop from 1, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to, let us say the maximum number is 20. Okay, right. So the condition goes like this here for even numbers: if I divided by 2 remainder equal to 0, then it is an even number. So print even number, else I equal to I plus 1 and continue with next iteration. Okay, so after printing I, say I equal to I plus 1, automatically it will go to the next iteration. And finally, end of the program. So save this program, come to the command prompt where you have saved the program. So py python continue while loop example 1, run it. So enter maximum number 20. So under 20, 2 print, 1 continue, 2 print, 3 continue, 4 print, 5 continue, 6 print, so on till 20. When I value becomes 21, so 21 less than or equals to 20, come out, end of the program. Right, similarly if we want to print the odd numbers, we'll change the if condition. If I divided by 2 remainder is not equal to 0, means remainder is 1. In that case, print I, odd number, else if it is even number, I equal to I plus 1, say continue. So after printing odd number, say I plus 1 for next iteration. Right, so save it, run below 30. So these are the odd numbers below 30, 29, and finally end of the program. So this is how we are supposed to work with continuous statement in a while loop. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.